Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell on TradeZero. And if you want to do this, we are here on our home tab and we select trade and go to TradeZero because this is the basic trading web browser platform that we can use for TradeZero. Now we want to buy and sell. So what we're going to do is go to symbol and search for something that we want to buy. So Nvidia Corporation is fine. Then what we're going to do, we put this also to the chart. So we have it both right here. And then right now we can start. So we want to buy a quantity of 1 share. And then if we want to do this, the order type is market, that is fine. We can fill in right here the price if you want to do that, but I want to buy directly. So right now, if you want to buy, you click here on buy. Then you do confirm, and right now you see right here 3 notifications with order placed, request placed and then filled. So that means that we are having right now 1 share of Nvidia. If you want to sell the share, then right here we do 1 again, everything the same, and we click right here on sell. Then you do right here confirm, and right now we sold our position on Nvidia. So this is how you can buy and how you can sell on TradeZero. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.